feels like a Monday. I worked for a little bit both Saturday and Sunday, so I kind of feel like I haven't had a real true break to mentally clock out of work. I'm going to try to push through. I only have one meeting today, which at least is nice. And of course I have my coffee. Also, sneak peek before I do an actual updated apartment tour. This is the new dresser that I got. I actually thrifted it off of Facebook Marketplace. Absolutely love it. And if you know, I've had a broken dresser for at least like a full-on year now. It's so embarrassing. Like the bottom left drawer was just completely broken and I didn't know how to fix it. Couldn't fix it, tried it. So it feels really refreshing to have a nice clean piece of furniture in here that's fully assembled, and it is really solid wood. Like it's very sturdy, so I really like that it's going to be good quality. And then I actually removed the baskets, the rattan baskets that were hanging above my bed, and I put this picture frame, and I'm kind of like feeling like it's a little too small and I'm kind of sad about it because I really love that artwork in the frame. But I'm gonna wait until my bed frame comes in, and I'm hoping that the frame will like extend a little higher and kind of fill up that space right there. If not, then I can always order like a larger frame to go right there and then just move that one somewhere else in the studio. And then over here, I actually got this bar cart off of Facebook Marketplace as well, which is really fun. Went ahead and put the shoe rack that was there over there in the hallway. I was going to donate it, but I was like, wait a second, like that actually fits perfectly right there and I could actually still use that storage space. So I just put it right there, right across from my closet, so I feel like it goes there perfectly. And then of course I still want to do a lot of work here on the bar cart, make it decorative and fun, put some books there, add maybe like a big plant right here, and then I need to figure out what to do with that mirror because I'm not too sure I like the combination of these two next to each other. This is actually a painting that I got in Edinburgh, and I actually need to find a nice frame for this to keep it protected. This is a bottle of wine that I got in Paris that I still haven't opened. It was my first time I went to Paris in 2016 I got this, and to be honest, I actually don't think that wine is good anymore, which is really, really sad. I left it in the sun one day and I'm pretty sure it's gone bad. I have so many things that need to get done tonight. I just can't lose track of what I need to do, so I always write it down. Pack a bikini for my coworker. I'm seeing her tomorrow and I told her I would give her one of my anime swimwear bikinis next time I see her. I think I'm going to do San O set. Haven't even packed it yet, no tags on it. I do have a lot of mediums left. The girlies on there are still looking for a swimsuit in this Heatwave. Morning, it is Friday. Happy Friday. I obviously didn't get to vlog the rest of the day yesterday because I was meeting with my coworker, meeting with some mortgage partners, and it was just not appropriate to be vlogging those things. I woke up this morning to quite unpleasant weather. It is 90 degrees here in San Clemente, which is unheard of. The temperatures here are normally 65 to 75 degrees, and then the ocean usually keeps it pretty cold here. It's 90 degrees at 8:30 a.m. We have an excessive heat warning, a wind advisory, and it's going to rain today. It just looks terrible outside. I didn't get any sleep last night because of how hot it was. I thankfully have an AC running in the background. It's a small portable air conditioner unit. Thankfully, I had that to blow directly on me yesterday, but even with that, the temperature in my studio right now is still 85 degrees. If you hear a loud humming in the background, it's the air conditioner. I'm not turning it off. It is just unbelievably hot here in Orange County. Like, what is that? That is unheard of. Severe weather, excessive heat warning, and wind advisory. I can't make this up. It says 76. That's false. That is false. My air conditioning unit literally says 82 degrees. Definitely super hungry, but because of how gross and windy it is outside, I'm not in the mood to leave the house. But I also don't have groceries. I'm literally going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and that is going to be my lunch. Maybe I'll brave it and leave the house to go get dinner later. I feel so tired right now, I don't even know what I'm saying. I think like the sleep deprivation is catching up to me at this point. Also, this is me just rambling about nothingness. I have definitely become a big homebody lately, which is really surprising because anyone who knows me knows that like I would always get FOMO. I would always have to be out doing something, and lately all I want to do is stay at home, read a book, online shop, watch YouTube videos. I don't even like going to the store anymore. I don't like anywhere I have to see people. I just don't enjoy it. The only time I love leaving my house is if I'm like traveling somewhere. I still love traveling, going to new places. I definitely want to plan another trip soon. I love being like outside if it's not busy. I don't know if it's like mentally because of work. I've just been so busy that by the end of the day I feel like brain exhaustion, but it's probably not good. I probably should be going to the gym more often, but I just hate my gym that I go to now. I've been going there for years and it just feels like a chore. Maybe you should look into changing gym memberships, doing something different. I don't know, but that's a big reason of why I've been really investing in new apartment furniture and really redecorating, is because I definitely want my space to feel like a safe haven or like a cozy place that I love to be, because I'm spending more and more time at home. That's just really been my thing. I genuinely mean it when I say like all I love to do these days is read, and it's probably an addiction. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing to have a reading addiction. Sure, too much of anything is bad. I feel like I've cleaned up the place a decent amount, at least compared to what it was before. We're not counting that, don't look at that. Yeah, I just pretty much put everything away, didn't do like a heavy deep cleaning. I just wanted to get rid of everything that was laying around. Oh my gosh, I just woke up from a nap that I wasn't supposed to take. I'm so hungry because all I had today was that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. My hair's a mess. Okay, I managed to get dressed. Oh, girly, look at how cute you are. You're just the cutest thing that ever roamed this earth. Wow, it has actually cooled down so much, and the rain just makes me feel like I am in Europe. I don't know, it's a bit dramatic, but it makes me feel really happy. Like the perfect photo right here, like me and my love, Barnes and Noble, just in the background. I'm gonna go in. So they didn't have the book that I wanted, unfortunately, but Bethany, my best friend, recommended I read this one to get me out of my book hangover from reading Sarah J. Maas' A Court of Thorns and Roses. So I am going to go into this book with an open mind. It has a lot of great reviews on Goodreads, so I'm going to power through this one before I order another one of Sarah J. Maas's books. I think I just need to like get in the right headspace because those books did me so dirty. I have such bad book hangover. Hey, it's Saturday. I woke up at like 8 o'clock this morning naturally and went back to bed on purpose just because I felt like I had nothing to do. Didn't get out of bed until 10. Went to get coffee at 11. I waited too long to get a coffee because I had a headache forming from the lack of caffeine. Feeling a lot better, but I think I just need to get out of the house. I kind of want to go to the store and see if I can get some basics, some loungewear. Don't know if I'll get anything, but might just do some window shopping and go for a little walk. Listen, Linda. I'm not even gonna lie, this outfit I'm putting together right now is super European. You'll see the finished result and you'll be like, oh yeah, she's right. But I need to steam this. I know it's a little hot out for a long sleeve, but just trust the process when I say it really completes the outfit. And I think I'm just gonna go to South Coast Plaza, which is like an indoor mall. Maybe I'll go to Newport Beach. I just need some like peace. Who dis? Not even like anybody texting me. Just my Wi-Fi company telling me that my bill has probably increased without my permission. Some of these wrinkles are hard to get out. All right. This is it. This is the look. It's 9 o'clock. I slept in. Well, to me it's sleeping in. I went to grab my coffee. I got my coffee at Albertsons. I love getting my Starbucks there because they actually charge me like a full $1 less for my coffee than they do at actual Starbucks. But I also needed to get some fruit and just some like basics. I haven't been cooking at home lately, which is really disappointing, but I just really have to be in like a cooking mood. I go through like my seasons where I cook or when I order out, and right now I've been ordering out, and I actually have to go to Sarah's birthday party later in Huntington Beach, so I'm gonna clean the house, do some chores, get ready, and then head to Huntington Beach. Want to say hi to the vlog? The vlog.
Coming over to your house?
No, she's having like this birthday get together in Huntington Beach. And I was gonna go there like early, like right now, and get home early because I have work tomorrow. I mean, I guess I could still get there. I probably won't get there until like 3. My little reading light for when I'm on the plane or reading at night, and a book. Nice.